All right, beat the chicken.
Okay.
All right, you can talk about what you're doing too.
Whatever it's called out, because you're gonna put it over the chicken, and you're gonna put it over the. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this part and go. Okay guys, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this stuff into this bag, and my big helper is gonna open the bag. Okay, all out. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one first.
Just a little bit. You just dip it in there for a second. Now bring it off really good. Really, really good. Excellent. All right, now throw it in here. Hold that really tight and shake it.
And
Shake
you're gonna
it,
hold it
the ketchup bubble. And we'll just smear it around.
Looks like someone did not clean that well.
Yeah, stuff gets burnt on there. All right. Now,
Okay. Now I'm gonna take it out of the bag and shake that a little bit off.
there you go.
Then-
And do the same thing.
With all of them.
You gotta make sure you wet it first.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, that's okay.
Oh yeah.
It's already kind of moist anyway.
Yeah.
You're doing it very, very good.
Guys, don't worry if you don't put it in the water. It's already a little bit moist for you. Can you stop making a racket over there?
Sorry.
Oh, this one's a nice one. Okay, I didn't forget. Now I have this piece. Put over.
Just a little bit. Don't put too much. Yeah, bring it out really good.
Okay. Plop goes the basil. Okay. There we go. That looks like a good one. This one looks really good. There we go. I have to take a tiny bit. Okay. Then you can eat the rest of this, Scott, if you want,
Why, thank you.
because you like it.
I love it.
Then I'm just going to put this in here.
Sounds good. All right.
I'm going
Make
to
sure you clean your area always.
clean my hand. Can you stop?
Sorry.
Can clean my hands.
I think you should. Good job. Always clean your hands when doing chicken.
Okay, there you go.
Probably need to moisten it a little more. All right, so the oven is on 400. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put it in for 20 minutes. 20 minutos. I'm going to stick it in.
I want to put it
Well,
in.
it's very, very hot,
I
so
know.
let me do it.
I know.
Okay.
I can.
Keep it straight. Got it. Careful, that's very hot too. Very good. All right, then what we're going to do is we're going to put the timer on.
Wait,
Okay.
don't do it yet. Wait. Put the timer on.
Okay, timer. And then we're going to increase this to 20 minutes. There you go.
All done.
Alrighty.
Ta-da. You always have to clean your area.
Very good. Always make sure you clean your area. And clean your dishes up while you go, so that way you don't have a big mess at the end, right?
Yeah.
So then what Bailey's going to do is she's going to make beans, and then we're going to have leftover mashed potatoes later. Is this love that empty?
Okay, so our dinner is done. Clean all obviously have it right there. Which, the instructions, microwave in bag, ready in minutes. 3 minutes.
Oh, so I should put this on
So
first?
we just gotta get a fork. Our stabbing.
Just stab it on
tool.
one side.
I'm gonna stab it on the front.
Okay. Just gotta poke through, don't stab yourself.
I won't. There we go. And then we're gonna put it in here. And then,
Careful, that's really hot right there.
I know, we're gonna set it in our microwave, close it, and then we're gonna set it for 3 minutes.
There you go. All right, make sure it's very hot.
There we go.
Alrighty. Do you want to just...
With us? Is Mommy eating dinner with us?
Yep, but Mommy's not going to be here for a while.
Oh yeah, because she has yoga. Right up for a minute.
Yep.
Okay.
You always want to put something on top of it because it tends to spatter.
Okay.
Oh, here, let me put it in the center.
Oh,
There you
okay, thank you. I know, I'm
2
sure.
minutes, 2.
No, do 1.
It's a lot, so it'll take time.
Okay. We'll do 2. There we go.
Put that.
I don't like it. It's hot.
You smell it? You got it. Good, you're being safe.
Okay, we're just gonna move over here. There we go. Then I'm just gonna put this back over here. Then we're gonna close that. Just gonna hold that. Put it on your plate straight away. You can. So we're just gonna take half and scoop it on. Okay, stop. Where's this plate?
Just half of that. That's right. We're good. That's good. 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 That's good.
That's yours, and then here's mine. There we go. That's mine. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the tiny little chicken because I like it. It's cute. And I'm gonna get this one and this one. Then we have the beans, which Scott, did you use the tool yet?
The what?
This tool?
I have not.
Grab your beans.
Look at how nice my dinner looks. Thanks to you, Bailey.
Ding.
Shake and bake chicken, string beans, and creamy mashed potatoes.
Yep.
It's all thanks to you.
Okay. Then, if you like pepper, you can put pepper on your mashed potatoes if you want. So I'm putting pepper on it. That's about it. Then just close this. Then there's your display of food. Wow.
That's how you make shake and bake chicken.